Hello everyone, welcome to another Alveo tips and tricks. Today we are going to be going over 5 different ways to place a trade in Alveo. Alright, so 5 different ways. First up, number 1, we have this new order button. You just click that and it'll come up with the normal box and you can fill it out, submit, and your trade will be placed. Second, you can right click on the chart itself and you can go right here, buy or sell. As well as the third way, which is these hotkeys right here, F5 and F6. That'll also place your trades automatically for you. And then you can go down here to the one-click trading, click buy or sell, same thing, the box will pop up, fill it out, and you're good. And then the fifth and final way is this little dollar sign with some circle arrows around it. You just hover over that and then you can click on buy or sell there. So there are the 5 ways to trade. Each of them have their own unique benefits and they all can be just a little bit more convenient depending on who you are and how you trade. So go ahead and give each of them a try. Let us know which one works best for you in the comments and we will see you guys next week.
If you like this tip on Alveo and want to learn more, like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to understand more about Apiary Fund's proprietary trading platform, Alveo, Lucas holds an online class called Alveo Basic Training every Monday. Make sure to join him and get all your questions answered and get the most out of Alveo.